In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is go over to your browser, and obviously it's going to be Google Chrome. And then on the top right, go ahead and press these three little dots and then go over to settings like so. Then go over to privacy and security, and you're going to see cookies. So third-party cookies. All you want to do is make sure they are on allow. It's going to say allow third-party cookies. You don't want to switch it to block third-party cookies. And then, yeah, once you put it on this, it says sites can use third-party cookies to personalize contents and ads and learn about actions that you take on other sites. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might end up finding something you didn't know about yet. But anyways, thank you for watching.